New day, new energy. This team is ready for all the possibilities ahead. Because somewhere in this city, a room awaits, ready to be filled with aspiring minds, intriguing questions, and spark some very interesting conversations. Today, we wanted to tell you the story of our why and how far our passion has taken us. I had already been working in the education sector, and YFS's mission really resonated with me. I could tell they were building something truly impactful. So I reached out to the founder, Billy, and asked to meet. He shared his vision, I was able to share mine, and boom, my journey with YFS started.
YFS drew me in because it's real-world learning, but with incredible energy. The students, they challenge your thinking, push your limits. It's like you're not just teaching, you're evolving with them.
With YFS's workshop, we are not just sharing ideas, we are equipping the students with tools for tomorrow. So we really want them to be the architect of their own future.
We go beyond the classroom. We try to bring the seed of curiosity in the minds of the students.
It starts with representation, where you see yourself in others' success. Then it goes to inspiration, where you can see the possibilities that are out there. And with mentorship, every child who is out there, a young leader, deserves to have a guide. So these workshops are very immersive and experiential. It's a space where students can reflect, feel heard, and imagine something new.
YFS programs are not just talk. In our workshops, students team up, roll up their sleeves, and build real solutions to address the challenges they see in their communities every day.
अभी शाय नहीं होना है, ज़्यादा कूल बनने की कोशिश नहीं करना है कि हमारा तो मजाक उड़ जाएगा, और क्या रहना है हमको लास्ट में कॉन्फिडेंट रहना है, ठीक है?
So we're conducting this workshop in one of the biggest slum areas. One of our girl students was very hesitant to share her ideas, but by the end of her workshop, she came to me and she said this was the most fun she ever had and she would love to be an entrepreneur.
So since we're a global organization, quite a lot of times the people who we work with, they were from different time zones. So we really have to be on all the time. So every phone call that we take, it's with that hope that it is going to help 1,000 kids, maybe more. That one very thought keeps us motivated and keeps us driven. We're a fairly new team and we work at a very high pace. Like every good team, we argue, we share thoughts, we share opinions. But all together we are driven towards the same goal.
From one room in Delhi, the program has spread out, reaching towns, cities, hearts across the country. I think I just have a very simple statement for our donors, our each gala attendee, our sponsors, our partners who support us. It's not just about our journey, it's yours too.
Because of your generosity, thousands of young people in India are unlocking their potential, one idea and one workshop at a time.